If you have Windows 11, after a while it gets slower. The resetting Windows can help solve a lot of issues with your PC if it's running really bad, or even worse if it's infected with malware or virus. These issues usually can be fixed with reset of Windows, so it's completely free and just gets back your PC in clean state like it was like new. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that we have to do is to go to start here on this logo, and then we click on settings here, or you can search here for settings. So I'm gonna just click here. If you see settings, just click here. And then after you are here, just go here on system, under the home tab. And then we're gonna scroll down, all the way down, until we see this recovery tab, this one. And then from here you can try this. First you can try this to fix your PC. With this, fix problems without resetting your PC. And then we're gonna go to recommended troubleshooter here, history. We'll click on it, and if there is any problem you will see here the troubleshooters. If that still is not there, then we go back to troubleshoot and we click on this one, and you can use these troubleshooters to fix your Windows. If however this didn't fix your issues still, and then we just go back to the system, then we're gonna scroll down again, go to recovery, and we're gonna click this reset this PC and click on this reset PC, and then you will see these two options, keep my files or remove files. So here, if you want just to reset your PC, like there is no viruses or something, but if you think your computer has virus, I suggest to back up all the data and remove everything. So I'm gonna click on this one, remove everything. So every file will be deleted from my PC. So in that result, any virus will be deleted as well. And now you will have here Cloud Download and Local Reinstall, these two options. So if you choose the Cloud Download, it will download and reinstall the Windows on latest update of it, latest version. And this Local Reinstall is just gonna reinstall the current version that you have, and you choose the one that you need. And here you can see additional settings: remove apps, do not clean the drive, reinstall Windows from this device, and then click on change settings, and then here clean data. This will remove everything, and if you want to re-download the Windows, we're gonna say yes or no, and then we click on confirm here, and we go next. So all of your data now will be deleted, so make sure you backed up everything on your PC in another drive or another partition, and we click here on next. And that's pretty much it. After that you will get a screen to reset your PC, and after that is done, you get a new fresh Windows 11 reinstalled to factory reset. And now if you cannot reset your Windows 11 for some reason, you can go here on this file explorer here and try this to see if you can fix it. Then go to this PC and go to local disk, and we go to Windows, and after this you will see software distribution, something like that, similar to that. I'll just scroll down till you see software distribution here, double click on it, and here are all the updates, the recent updates. So we just go and highlight everything of them, and then press on delete to delete the files, and then do this for all current items and click on continue. If this pops up, just go do this for and click on skip. If you still cannot reset Windows 11, I'm gonna leave down below a video where you can install Windows 11 from USB. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this kind of content, subscribe and see you in the next video. Bye.